Will this hay go? That is the question of the day. Lots of clouds out here. It's been down a little while. Should be dry, but I don't know. But we're raking it up anyway. Now here he comes up another round with our Fendt tractor and the new Pottinger Rake. And it rakes really smooth. Turns great. Makes nice windrows. Hopefully this alfalfa orchard grass will dry in spite of no sunshine. Humidity's low. Dew point's low. There's a slight breeze. And as you can see, it's kind of crunchy. But alfalfa stems are kind of weird. You might think it's ready to go. When you get there and with the moisture, it's up higher. It's a no-go sometimes. We're kind of particular about our moisture. So we'll see.